The prairie wind blows across the field as the crews test fire the heavies. Bomb doors slowly close after loading as wheels slowly roll down the runway. Engines start to roar across the treetops, lifting off into the sunset. The Lancasters command the skies. How many will come back? Do we know the price they offer? Does fate offer each ship a choice? Hearts beating fast, souls dreading the night. Minds worry what the night brings. Warbirds in flight, warbirds high above. The silence of the night soon follows, thoughts written upon stark faces. Aimless waiting begins in earnest, engines fading into the night. How many will survive? Hearts beating fast, souls dreading the night. Minds worry what the night brings. Warbirds in flight, warbirds high above. The silence of the night soon follows, thoughts written upon stark faces. Aimless waiting begins in earnest, with engines fading into the night. How many will survive? Hearts beating fast, souls dreading the night. Minds worry what the night brings. Warbirds in flight, warbirds high above. Four engines, hours later, awaken hope as they approach. Empty bays and silent guns, searchlights to guide them home. High souls aboard, screaming sirens awaken the field. Warbirds slowly limp home. Feel the lights to guide them down. Warbirds sung with broken wings. How many souls are now ghosts? Heart beating fast, souls dreading the night. Minds worry what the night brings. Warbirds in flight, warbirds high above. To the ones lost, patience remains, wearing thinner as the last one approaches. Warbirds wounded, warbirds silhouette.